In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to n8n. Connecting Gmail to n8n lets you automate email tasks like sending messages, reading inbox threads, and triggering workflows from new emails, all without manual effort. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in to your n8n instance and that you have the Gmail API credentials you plan to use ready and stored securely. You won't need to share or display any private keys or secrets in the interface. Just have them on hand. Start inside n8n. On the left-hand pane, click Personal, then open the Credentials tab. This is where n8n stores secure connections to your apps and services. In the top right corner, click Create Credential. This button starts the guided setup for a new connection and keeps your configuration organized in one place. In the search box, type Gmail, then select Gmail from the results and click Continue. Choosing Gmail ensures n8n knows which authentication method, permissions, and endpoints to use for your connection. If you don't see it right away, make sure you spelled it exactly as Gmail and that your n8n version is up to date. You'll now be prompted to enter the credentials needed for the API connection. Typically, this means providing the OAuth details associated with your Google project, such as a client ID and client secret, and confirming the required access scopes so n8n can read or send emails on your behalf. Keep these values confidential and paste them carefully to avoid typos. It's a good idea to give this credential a clear name so you can recognize it later in your workflows. When everything looks correct, click Save. n8n will validate the connection and securely store it so you don't have to re-enter it each time. Once saved, your Gmail connection is ready to use in your automations. Open or create any workflow in n8n, add a Gmail node, and select the credential you just created from the drop-down. You can use the Gmail trigger node to start a workflow when a new email arrives, or the Gmail node to perform actions like sending a message, searching your inbox, or adding labels. Test the node to confirm that authentication works and that the action behaves as expected. If something doesn't run, double-check your credential selection and ensure the Gmail account has the necessary permissions. That's all. You've successfully connected Gmail to n8n, and you're ready to build powerful email-driven automations. Save your workflow, document what it does, and enjoy the time you'll get back by letting n8n handle the repetitive tasks.